Hello all. So in the previous class I have explained some problems on fundamentals of logic. So let us start solve next problems. So based on truth table. So next problem is construct the truth table for the following proposition. Biconditional proposition is given Q if and only if not P or not Q. So we have to construct the truth table. So either a proposition kottaga, we have to take all the possible values of the two propositions. ಇಲ್ಲಿ P and Q ಎರಡು propositions ಇದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ compound propositions ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. We have to write all its combination of truth values. ಎಷ್ಟು possible truth values ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. That is the first one. In the second one, there are three propositions P, Q and R. Again, it is a composite proposition. We have to construct the truth table. So let us take the first one. So since it has two propositions P and Q, that means 2 power of 2 is equal to 4 rows. The truth table must contain 4 rows with all possible values. We have to take all its negative, means true and false value. So now I will start with false value and then truth values. 0 0 1 1, or you can take it as 1 1 0 0 ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. If it is 4 rows or two proposition, start with the false value 0 0 1 1 and then next row ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ take the alternative value 0 1 0 1. If it is 3 proposition, then we get 4 zeros 0 0 and then 4 ones. Second row ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ two values na alternative ಕೊಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 like that. And for the last one, take the alternative value 0 1 0 1 0 1 like that. So in this one 0 0 1 1 for the first proposition, alternative value for the second one 0 1 0 1. Next we have to write the truth value of the compound proposition. So here we need not P, that is negation of P, negation of Q, that means not P and not Q. If P is 0, not P is 1, not P is 1, not P is 0, not P is 0. Not Q is 1, 0, 1, 0. Then not P or not Q. So combination of these two columns, not P or this symbol represent not Q. 1 or 1 is 1, 1 or 0 is 1, 0 or 1 is 1, 0 or 0 is 0. That is the value of this compound proposition. Next, the whole proposition Q if and only if this row. This is the Q row, sorry, Q column. This is the next column. So I will baribekadre, and this is a if and only if symbol. If and only if and it is a biconditional. So biconditionally 0 if and only if 0 is 0, 1 if and only if 1. So for these two values, the truth value is 1. So here two kade same in the truth value is 1. 1 to 0, 0 to 1 is a false statement. So let us take these two columns, Q column and this combined column. 0 if and only if 1 is 0, 1 if and only if 1 is 1, 1 if and only if 1 is 1, 0 if and only if 1 is 0, 1 if and only if 0 is 0. So this is the required truth values of the given compound proposition. So 0, 1 if and only if 0 is 0. So let us take the next one. There are three propositions are there, P, Q, R. P and Q are not R if and only if P. For that required values in the P required, P column, Q not R is required, so hence R and not R, then if and only if P. First we have to construct this one. So ಇದನ್ನ construct ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. So resultant ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನ if and only if first column, that is P column ಗೆ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. So since it has three propositions P, Q, R, it should contain 2 power of 3 rows, which is nothing but 8 rows. So 8 rows equal ಆಗಿ divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we get 4. Equal ಆಗಿ ಅಂತ divide ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ, so we have two values 0 and 1. Two values ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದು ಬರೋ number of rows ನ equal number ಆಗಿ divide ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು first half false value, second half true value consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So 0 0 1 1. Next Q statement ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ to get all the possible values of 0 and 1 for 3 propositions. First column complete ಆಯಿತು. Second column same values ನ alternative ಬರ್ಕೋತೀವಿ in two combinations 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. And in the last column same value alternatively 0 1 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Then we have to write the required values. Next column in there P and Q. So P and Q are the distinction of first two columns. 0 and 0. 0 and 0 is 0. 0 and 0 is 0. 0 and 1 is 1. 0 and 1 is 0 and 1 is 0. 0 and 1 is 0. 1 and 0 is 0. 1 and 0 is 0. 1 and 1 is 1. 1 and 1 is 1. And in disjunction, in the case 1 and 1 is 1. In remaining, all the possible truth value combinations are false. 1 and 1 is 1. Next column, negation of R, that is not R. If R is 0, not R is 1. Not R is 0. 0, 1, 1, 0. 0 again not R, 1. 1 again not R, 0. 0 again not R, 1, 0. So next another combined value, that is P and Q or not R. So this column or this column. So P and Q. So in there 0 or this is a or symbol. That is distinction. 0 or 1 is 1. 0 or 0 is 0. 0 or 1 is 1. 0 or 0 is 0. 0 or 1 is 1. 0 or 0, 0. 1 or 0, 1. 1 or 0, 0. So these are the values of the first compound proposition. First compound proposition values. Next, first one, if you take this one as A if and only if the proposition P. That means this proposition if and only if with this one. So already if and only if again. 0 if and only if 0 is 1. 1 if and only if 1 is 1. For these two cases only we have to write it is 1. In all the remaining cases it is equal to 0. So let us take these two columns. 0 if and only if 1 is 0. 0 if and only if 0 is 1. 0 if and only if 1 is 0. 0 if and only if 0 is 1. 1 if and only if 1 is 1. 1 if and only if 0 is 0. 1 if and only if 1 is 1. And the last one for biconditional, 1 if and only if 0 is 0. So these are the required truth values. So very important. So remember this. 0 if and only if 0 is 1. 1 if and only if 1 which is equal to 1. 1 to 0 is 0. 0 to 1 is 0. So using this combine these values, the resultant truth value for the required given compound proposition. So these are the problems. So in the next class, 1-2 problems are remaining problems are there. I'll explain the problems and then I'll start the next concept. Thank you.